Today's video, we'll be showing you how to enable USB debugging on your Android device. USB debugging is a useful feature that allows you to establish a direct connection between your device and a computer for advanced development tasks. So, let's get started. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android device. Click on Additional Settings to access additional options. If you don't find developer options listed in the Settings menu, simply type Developer Options in the search bar and select the first result. This will take you to the Developer Options mode. Once you're in the Developer Options menu, locate the USB debugging option. Toggle the switch next to USB debugging to turn it on. You may be prompted to grant permissions for USB debugging. Simply allow it to proceed. And there you have it. You have successfully enabled USB debugging on your Android device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials.